Here's how to share memories on iPhone without sending photos one by one. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. At the bottom, tap on Collections. Now scroll down to the Shared Albums section and tap on Start Sharing. Enter a name for your album, something relevant to its content. Scroll down just a bit. Then tap on Add Participants. Type the name or Apple ID of the person you want to share with. Select the contact. Tap the check mark at the top right. And then tap on Create. And just like that, your shared album is ready. Go back to your photo library. Open any photo you want to share. Tap the Share button at the bottom left. Look for Add to Shared Album and tap on it. The shared album is already selected, so tap on Post from the top. If you want to share many photos at a time, tap on the search icon at the bottom and search for something like plants. Tap Select at the top right and select all the photos you want to add to the shared album. When done, tap on the Share button and choose Add to Shared Album. Make sure the correct album is selected, and then tap on Post from the top. Go back to Collections, and open the shared album you created. Now you and the other person will see all the shared photos and videos in one place. And that's it.